important one as well, and that is sound effects. The way you elevate the video, make it attention grabbing and all that good stuff is going to be with sound effects. Now the average editor, he might just go online, search on YouTube for sound effects all the time he needs one, and that is going to cost him so much time. Now the Chad editor, he already has the sound effects in a neat folder ready for him to use, neatly designed in folders so that he can search and just drag and drop them where he needs them. I do have a link in the description for my sound pack, but I feel like I've pushed so many stuff in links in description so far, so I'm not gonna say that. I don't want to annoy you too much, but having a sound effect pack will really help you out.